Okay, this is going to be about a tabletop and fence for my 32-inch Rockwell drill press. Bought this thing maybe when I was a teenager. This project is inspired by a router table that used a similar construction technique to achieve T-slots. The table itself is 16 inches tall, 24 inches wide, and there are T-slots built into it. The way that's done is, looking at the cross section here, we have a sheet of plywood which has two slots dadoed into it, and then we bond hardboard to the top and bottom and then run a narrower slot through the hardboard to create the T-slot. The T-bolts themselves are going to be either toilet bowl flange bolts or long 1/4-20 stove bolts or carriage bolts where I've ground the head oblong. Okay, that was how the project was conceived, and this is how it's been executed. Okay, I have the fence with its T-slot and the tabletop itself with its T-slots, and I've got a stop block that I can use in the fence to adjust for certain repetitive kind of drilling operations. And here's an example where you can see the toilet bowl flange used as a T-bolt. Alright, I'm not sure if I can put this together with one hand, but I'll give it a try again. I bring the fence to the edge of the table. I'm going to line the T-bolts up and see if while holding the camera I can also rotate the fence in place. It's not looking real good. Alright, that one's in. Let's see if I can get the second one in. Alright, they're both in, and with something like luck, perhaps I can move it back. Alright, there's the fence approximately in place. We snug these handles down to hold the fence, and if I want to put the stop block in place, I line the slot, or the T-slot, I make the T-slot bolt horizontal. See if I can slide it in place. Oops. Alright, and there we go. Now I can control the distance between the fence and where I'm drilling in 2 axes. Alright, that is how I've made my new drill press table with fence.